ready to turn your Linux machine into a crypto-generating powerhouse. First, select the right mining software. Your hardware will dictate this choice. If you're using your CPU, a CPU miner is the way to go. Got a powerful graphics card? Opt for a GPU miner to maximize efficiency. ASIC miners are specialized hardware for specific cryptocurrencies. Next, install the necessary drivers and dependencies for your chosen software on your Linux distribution. This typically involves using your distribution's package manager to install packages like CUDA for NVIDIA GPUs or OpenCL for AMD GPUs, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Now, configure your mining software. Input your wallet address. This is where your mined crypto will be sent. Add the details of your chosen mining pool, which allows you to combine your computing power with others. This increases your chances of earning rewards. Let's optimize your system for peak performance. Consider adjusting CPU affinity, carefully overclocking your GPU within safe limits, and tweaking memory settings. Each of these adjustments will boost your mining efficiency. Keep a close eye on your mining hardware's performance. Monitor CPU and GPU temperatures, hash rate, and power consumption. This data will help you fine-tune your setup and prevent overheating or other issues. Finally, let's discuss power consumption. Mining can be energy-intensive, so factor in the cost of electricity when calculating your potential profits. You may also want to research ways to reduce your energy footprint. Now you're all set to mine crypto on Linux.